That's really cool. Like, that's really cool. Every time we rode it, last time I came, we got the wolf. Because the spirit one, you see the face, right?
Yeah. And you kind of see the face too with Storm, just because the way it's lighting in the
Yeah.
video.
I want to jump in.
We're glad to see you have escaped to the forest. Please lift up on your safety harness and exit carefully to your left and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.
All right, we're going to take a ride on Verbolten here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. This is my first time on this. We do have permission from the park to film. Don't film if you do not have permission, guys. But we're going to take a ride on Verbolten. It's also my first coaster that has a drop track, so it's going to be awesome. We have Rocco with us.
Hi.
Hey, guys.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Guten Abend.
Guten Abend. All right, here we go, guys. First ride ever on Verbolten. Let's go. I hope we survive the dark forest.
Don't look back as you brave the Black Forest.
The Black Forest. I keep calling it the Dark Forest. The Black Forest.
The Black Forest Ham.
Here we go. Oh, cool. Okay. 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 Launch! We got the wolf, guys! That drop track was awesome! And here we go, guys! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, we're up on a really crickety bridge, guys! Oh no! Oh my gosh! Maxx, comment below if you've ever been on this and how awesome that drop track is. Spoiler alert, I guess it's too late for spoiler alert, but awesome drop track in that ride. This was a fantastic roller coaster. If you haven't been here, get down to Busch Gardens. Awesome ride. Okay, auf Wiedersehen!